Hey guys, welcome to our first ever video.
So,
We might sound a little quiet, but we don't have the best
quality. We're just using a MacBook Air, not bragging at all. I'm just kidding. No. It would be appreciated if you would drop a like and subscribe, but no pressure. Do what you like if you like it or not.
Today we'll be doing a stuffy introduction.
Yeah, we're gonna be showing you all the stuffies.
We're doing our 24-hour challenge very soon.
That will be in our next video.
It will be in the description.
Also, we are not gonna be saying our names tonight.
I'm Madison.
And
This is
I'm Amber.
That's not our real name, though.
Yeah. So yeah, let's get on with it. So sorry about that, but
we are giving a giveaway
of all those stickers.
We want to like them. It's heart. Many more. One's the best. But this camera's really reversed, so it's hard for me to see. Sorry for
all cameras are.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's cute.
And we have one of my personal favorites.
And this one just.
We made them.
Oh,
You're like, this one Justice? No, they're not. We made them.
we got inspired by Justice.
So cute. Sure.
Oh, this is all still. This is you?
Merch. Well, that's merch, but this is merch.
Yeah. How would my merch have hearts on it? Bruh.
It has a heart. I like obsessed with hearts.
Mine has a heart.
Right there.
And hers has hearts all over the cheek. And glasses. Let's get on with it. So,
With that.
and first one we have right here is Ice Cube, and
He was in the wash.
he's super fluffy and cute. He also has a little brother. He's personally my favorite. His name is Waddles.
Oh, that's
Okay.
Next up we have Oscar. She's one of my personal favorites, but not my favorite.
I have the same one. I have the same one.
This is Waddles.
Waddles.
Waddles. This is Oscar. Next up we have
This is you.
Moonlight. I can't believe it. She's one of those flippies. By the way, these Beanie Boos are not merch.
That is.
We have one in progress.
Barbara. I don't know where it actually is right now. Sorry, we had someone coming.
Oh my god, we got scared. Blah!
Oh, hello. So the
Next
next one is
Pepper.
Pepper. She's super adorable. There's another kitty like this. Yeah. And this is Taru.
I never remember this one.
But he's super adorable, and she goes well with her sister. And yeah.
Next ones are we have this one. I can never remember their name.
That one's Glamour.
This is Glamour.
And
Her sister is Sorry if I'm out of frame.
our merch.
Merch. Stop plugging the merch, okay?
We're gonna get copyrighted for our own business. Okay.
And this is her sister.
That was a con.
Cindy. Like
What if it's Sydney? Because that's how you spell Sydney. Shout out to you, Sydney.
There's a Sydney.
Yeah. Welcome back. So, also another one I have is Diamond.
Diamond.
And she's super cute. You can't really see the shimmer because but it turns from white to that. Oh my god, it just makes so much better quality. Did you see that? It changed to like that.
White.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Well that's Diamond. And this is Tendra and Hun. Okay, let's get moving on.
We have Izzy. By the way, if these are any of your names,
Shout out. Bruh. She's like so worried about her hair behind camera.
I know. This one. Okay. Oh, and this is Squeakers.
Oh yeah, I always forget. I have most of these, but that's another one. I'll say if I have them. Let's go. You can go first.
This, she doesn't have a name, so we're gonna name her Lucy.
And this is Faye. It's a little fox.
Oh, Faye's my favorite.
You cut it off.
I didn't cut it off.
Where'd you get it? Anyways,
This one's always smelled like
so yeah, comment down your 2 favorite ones. And if anybody says these ones just because they're sparkly, I mean, okay, but...
Oh, we have more actually. So we found some more, but this one it's like Moonlight. I don't know her name though. Yappy. This is Yappy. So they're very similar. She changes into blue, like her, but she has a pink outline. So, you want to see?
Sorry.
The next one is Skeleton.
And then mine too. This one doesn't have a name, but I'd name it Ellie or Peanut. And this one.
This one has a little bag. It used to be like this until someone ripped it.
This one also doesn't have a name. I knew that. I was just double checking. So yeah, I'm also gonna go get some mini ones. So I'll be right back.
And we're back. Our
Um,
first two they don't have names. So if I were to name them, this would be
Harmony.
this would be peanut butter, and this would be jelly.
This is Harmony, and I would name this one Penguinisha. She gave this one to me actually. And I have 3 more to show you. I'll be right back. So I got another one. This is the mini Harmony. This is Zigzag. No, this is Zoe. I have the boy. And this is Rocco. I think that's it for today.
This is the end of our episode. Our next episode. Hope you have a nice day. Be nice to all your friends and have a good day. Every cycle. It's a good one.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.